Hi, hi YouTube. This is RC PopPop. So this was a race, I guess, or competition against the V2 truck, the SCX 24 Jeep, and the SCX Deadbolt. The Deadbolt, if you notice, I did some modifications to the tires and brought it to lower to the ground. It performed a lot better. The Jeep, by all hands down, I did metal inserts or brass inserts, if you notice, and my God, the Jeep, as you will see, hands down took it, I think. And this thing is a toy. It couldn't really do anything. It bounced around a lot. It's cute, that's about it. It's a cute toy. So I will definitely let you see the V2 against the SCX10 Jeep and the SCX10 Deadbolt. So here we go. I hope you like it, and this is RC PopPop. Enjoy. Alright, so first up we have the Deadbolt, and it is slowly making its way up. You can see it now. I used these new H3 beadlock tires. They were a lot smaller than normal that came with the Deadbolt, and I also lowered the body so that the center of gravity for the Deadbolt, because it's kind of top heavy as it is, so it would be easier. But I didn't like these tires. They're real slippery, as you can see. Came up through the rocks, made it, and go through the smaller rocks there, eats it up, and then hit the logs. Got a little stuck on the logs, and then on through. Now we come out of the crater and hit the moon crates. Eat up the moon craters. Down through the desolate valley and into the second pit. Come out of the second desolate pit. See, the tires are real slippery. Still made it out, no problem. I like the modification. It's really, the center of gravity is lowered to the ground. And there you have it. Nice little crawler. Next up, we have the V2, the red truck. It had a trouble getting up there. I did no modifications to this truck. Definitely needs some modifications. The tires are slippery. The shocks are really bouncy. The lights come on as you give the throttle. That was a good thing. It really struggled to get up. I had to give it full throttle to make it over the rocks, and then, as you can see, it just started bouncing over the rocks. It made it over, nonetheless. But I think that these V2s are not as advanced as the SCX 10s. That's why they're cheaper. You can get them for about 85 bucks. Here it comes. It finally made it over the rocks. It's a cute little truck. See how bouncy it is? Over the logs. Now through the first pit of despair. Out of the pit of despair. Into the moon craters. Eating up the moon craters. And then down to the second pit of despair. Dropping in to the second pit of despair. Powering your way out. Makes it struggles a little bit. Tires are really slippery. Full throttle it, and out it goes. Then we have the next car, which is the Jeep SCX 24, and I had put the brass inserts, and man, this thing was a dream to drive. Oh my God, it just ate it up like nothing. I mean, it's a true crawler. It just really, the articulation you have and the control you have into the pit of despair, out of the pit of despair, eating up the moon craters like nothing. It's got good weight. It's got good, I really love these SCX 10s. Driving down through the moon craters into the second pit of despair, dropping down in, and just coming right on out. Not even a care. This thing just ate up my backyard track. And I really love it. Can't wait. There you have it. Thanks for watching. RC Pop Pop out.